And it's now time for the health report. Medical professionals are urging individuals to recognize the be fast signs of a stroke and promptly seek medical attention. Shamela Pullen tells us more.
A stroke happens when the blood supply to the brain is interrupted or reduced, depriving the brain of oxygen and nutrients. This can lead to permanent damage, disability, or even death. And so recognizing the signs early using the Be Fast approach is critical.
We say B is for balance. Sudden onset of imbalance or balance issues or coordination issues. We say E is for eyes. Sudden issues with sudden loss of vision in one eye, or sudden blurred vision or sudden double vision. We say facial twisting, so F for facial, twisting or facial asymmetry or drooping of one side of the face. We say A for arm or leg weakness or difficulty using that limb, right? We say S for speech, difficulty talking, mixing up words, difficulty finding the right words that occurs suddenly. And if any of those happening, T, it's time to call for help.
By acting fast, individuals can reduce the risk of long-term effects and improve their chances of recovery. Minimally invasive procedures to remove blood clots, such as the clot-busting drug, are also now available to treat the condition.
The purpose of this drug is to be administered within the first 3 to 4.5 hours from the time of onset of the stroke symptoms. And if that drug works well, it could potentially prevent or improve neurological deficits such as weakness and reverse some of the deficits that the patient has. So a patient who comes in with weak and unable to walk may regain a lot of their function.
Mechanical thrombectomy is also another advancement which aims to improve patient outcomes.
This is where, beyond using medications such as the clot-busting drugs to lyse and dissolve a clot, you can actually now use mechanical stents to pass into the clot itself by going through the blood vessels of the body to grab the clot and retrieve it and unblock the blood vessel. By restoring flow through that blocked blood vessel, you can again help the patient to either prevent severe permanent disability or even reverse some of the deficits that they have already had.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.